In this video, I'm going to explain you these two sums. Here we have one term which is to be divided by one term. Here I have three terms expression and is to be divided by one term. So there are two methods of doing it. The first one is, we know this divided by this can be written as this. Okay, so we can simply reduce them like this, and here we can use the laws of exponents. So the answer will be actually 9, and x square divided by x will become x, and y square divided by y. The bases are same, division signs of the powers will subtract. So it will be 2 minus 1. So 9xy will be the answer. The method 2, in which we'll use this division notation, and here we have 36x square y square, and this is 4xy. Now we have to focus here and here. By which number 4 should be multiplied to get 36? It's 9. And by which number x is to be multiplied, by which x should be multiplied so that you get x square? So you need one more x. From y to y square you need one more y. So then you will get 36x square y square. Then what do we do in a normal division? We actually subtract. Then we have to subtract. So this is the quotient and the remainder is 0. Okay. Similarly here it has two ways. I would like to discuss the second first. Second way within the division. This is 14a raised to power 4 minus 7a cube plus 14a square, and this is to be divided by 7a square. It is nothing different from this. So first of all you have to focus here and here. By which number 7a square should be multiplied to get 14a raised to power 4? It's actually equals to 2a square. So the answer here is 14a4. Now we can subtract it. So this has been taken out. 7a square can be taken out from 14a raised to power 4. How many times? 2a square times. Now we have to copy the second number here, which is minus 7a cube. So first we will see how we have to see by what this should be multiplied to get minus 7a cube. So first of all, what do we need? Here is 7, but we need minus 7. So we need to multiply minus 1. No? And minus 1. And a square should be multiplied with a. So we can write here a. So there we will get minus 7a cube. Okay. Now what do we do after that in division? First we arrange for the number, then we have to subtract. No? Now we have to subtract. What do we have to subtract? We have to subtract the answer from this. Okay, so minus 7a cube minus 7a cube. So minus is plus. Okay, now the above term is minus 7a cube, and the term here had two minus signs, so it became plus. Now it has plus sign, it has minus sign, both opposite sign and same term, so the remainder is 0. Now I will copy the next term, which is 14a square. Okay, now we have to multiply 7a square by 2, in fact plus 2, to get 14a square, and now we will subtract. Now this is here. This is how you have to do it. Okay, now the first way is exactly like this: 14a4 minus 7a cube plus 14a square divided by 7a square. We have to divide by this, but we cannot cancel it with this only or that only, because it's the denominator of all of them. So first of all we have to give it to all of them. So here 7 2s are 14, so it's 2, and a raised to power 4 and a square, we can apply the laws of exponents. This will remain with a raised to power 4 minus 2, which is 2. Here 7 can be cancelled out with 7, so we are left with 1, and a raised to power 3 divided by a square is a raised to power 3 minus 2, which is 1. Okay, so here 7 2s are 14, and a square divided by a square is a raised to power 2 minus 2, which is 0. So here you can, so basically your answer is 2a square minus a plus anything plus 2, and anything raised to power 0 is actually 1. So we can only say it is 2, because this will become 1, and 2 into 1 is 2. So this is your final answer, and the same answer is here. Okay, so in this way you have to do your homework.